In this lesson, we are going to look at an infinite ladder of capacitors. So here we have got an infinite ladder of capacitors. Here is 1 microfarad, 2 microfarad, 1 microfarad, 2 microfarad, 1 microfarad, 2 microfarad, 1 microfarad, 2 microfarad. So this is 2 microfarad. And this ladder goes on till infinity. Now for an infinite ladder, start from near end, because we cannot go to the far end, that is at infinity. So for an infinite ladder, start from near end. Then look at the repeating sections. Here what is repeating? 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So if we remove one section from this infinite ladder, the ladder remains unchanged, because from an infinite chain, if we remove one link, it makes no difference. So if we remove this 1 and 2 and you look at the remaining infinite ladder, the capacitance, the equivalent capacitance will be same as the capacitance of the original ladder. So if you look at this A dash and B dash, the capacitance between A dash and B dash is same as the capacitance between A and B, because this is an infinite ladder. If we remove one link, it makes no difference to the infinite ladder. So we keep only one of the repeating sections, and the remaining repeating sections we can replace it by the same equivalent capacitance. If the capacitance between A and B is C, and we keep one of the repeating sections, the capacitance between this, after this, between A dash and B dash is also C, because that is same thing. So from this infinite series, if we remove the first section, the series still remains infinite, and that is the same infinite ladder of capacitors. So the capacitance between A dash and B dash is same as the capacitance between A and B. So whatever be the capacitance between A and B, and we remove one of the repeating sections, remove one, we cannot cut the circuit here, we have to cut it so that we keep one repeating section. So 1 and 2 are repeating, so we keep 1 and 2 and then cut the circuit. Don't cut it here or here, just keep one repeating section and then look at the circuit. Okay, so this one is actually here, all are microfarads. So now if we keep one repeating section and we look at the rest of the circuit, the rest of the circuit will also have the same equivalent capacitance as the original circuit. From an infinite chain, if we remove one link, it makes no difference to the infinite chain. So now the capacitance between A and B is also C, A dash and B dash is also C. This is now 1 microfarad, this is 2 microfarad. Now we can simplify this circuit very easily. Okay, these two are in series and that one is in parallel, and whatever equivalent capacitance we get, that is also C. So therefore C will be equal to, these two are in series, so equivalent capacitance is product by sum. So 2 into C by 2 plus C. And this is in parallel with this, so plus 1. And that is equivalent to the capacitance between A and C, which is C. So now we can simplify this and solve very easily. C equal to 2 plus C is LCM, 2C plus 2 plus C. So now we cross multiply, we get 2C plus C square equal to, this is 2, 3C plus 2, and we get a quadratic, C square minus C minus 2 equal to 0. So this will factorize as 1 and 2 Okay, so basically you'll get C plus 1, C minus 2 equal to 0. This implies C is 2 microfarad because C cannot be negative. So this is the trick to solve an infinite ladder of capacitors. From an infinite thing, if you just remove one repeating section, the remaining thing is as good as the original infinite thing. So, this infinite ladder of capacitors having 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 capacitors like that is same as this infinite series where there is again 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 repeats. So capacitance between these 2 points is same as the capacitance between these 2 points. So if you call this C, this also is C. So we get this circuit. Then these 2 are in series and that is in parallel with this, and that equivalent capacitance is equal to C, and rest is simple algebra.